Hello everyone, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to the Masters PU College. Till now, we completed 18 classes in Bridge course. In mathematics, we completed 18 classes. In this, all the syllabus related to Bridge course is completed. So, we are entering into first chapter of class 11. The chapter name is Sets. You see, what is set? In this class, all the things we are going to learn about what is set, which is set, which is not a set, all those things we are going to discuss. Set. What is the definition of a set? A well-defined collection of objects is called a set. A well-defined, this plays very important role in this definition. Well-defined collection of objects. Well-defined collection of objects is called a set. You see here, collection of vowels in English alphabet. Vowels in English alphabet are well defined or not? If I ask you what are the vowels in English alphabet, I'll say what you will say generally: A, E, I, O, U. Any other person will change? In any other country, vowels in English alphabet will change? No. So everyone unanimously they will say that A, E, I, O, U are the vowels in English alphabet. So collection of vowels in English alphabet is a set. Collection of vowels in English alphabet is a set. Why? Because this vowels collection is well defined. Okay. Collection of natural numbers. Collection of natural numbers is a set. What are natural numbers? In the first class of Bridge course only we learned what are natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that all are natural numbers. Is there any person in your class will say 0, 1, 2, 3, different numbers they will say? Natural numbers are well defined. So well defined collection of objects is called a set. So collection of natural numbers is a set or not? Yes, it is a set, because whatever the collection you are doing, that is well defined. Okay. Collection of good boys in a class is a set or not? Good boys in a class. Good boy. Okay. Suppose in your school, your class, if I ask you to select the good boys, you may select some people, but your friend will select some other people. Good boy. In what sense good boy? The person who is studying well, he is a good boy. The person who is behaving well, he is good boy. The person who is acting like a good person, he is a good boy. Good boy is what? Collection of good boys in your class. If I ask you to write the names of good boys, is all the students will write the same names? Maybe you may feel a particular student, particular boy is a good boy, but other are not. But your friend, a particular person may not be good boy, but your friend may feel that that person is good. Good boy is not well defined. In what sense we are saying good boy? The boy who is studying well, that's why good boy. A boy who will be silent in class, that's why good boy. Good boy is not well defined. Please try to understand. Collection of good boys in a class is not a set. Good boy is not well defined. Collection of good teachers in a school. In your school, collection of good teachers. Good teacher is not well defined. Best teacher, not well defined. Good teacher means what? A teacher who won't scold you, that teacher is good. The teacher who explains well but always gives punishment, that teacher is good. The teacher who never asks a question to you, that teacher is good. What is good teacher? Good teacher is not well defined. Please try to understand. Collection of good teachers in a school is not a set. Why? Because if I ask you to write a collection of all good teachers in a school, you will write one list, your friend will write another list. For example, you see here, collection of vowels in English alphabet. If I ask you to write collection of vowels in English alphabet, all the class will write the same answer. When you know, because vowels are well defined. What are the vowels in English alphabet? A, E, I, O, U. I hope you understand. See here, 2 note points are there. What are those 2 note points? First thing, sets are denoted by English capital alphabets, like A is a set, B is a set, C is a set, like that we will say. And objects in a set are called elements. Objects in a set are called elements, and elements are denoted by small letters or numbers A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, depends upon the example. Okay, sets are denoted by English capital alphabets. Objects in a set are called elements. So you learned what is set. What is set? A well-defined collection of objects is called a set. To understand this definition of a set, I'm going to take some examples now. You see this question. This is a first question. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. The collection of all months of a year which begin with J. The collection of all months of a year which begins with J. Is it a set or not? Can you tell what are the months which starts with J? January, February, March, April, May, June, July. June, July. Any other? Is it well-defined collection? See, collection of all months of a year which begin with J. January, June, July. Any other person will select any other month which starts with J. Is it well-defined collection or not? Yes, it is a well-defined collection. So yes, it is a set. It is a set. Please try to understand what they are asking in the question. Which of the following are sets? Yes, it is a set. Justify your answer means what? Yes, it is well-defined. It is well-defined. That's why yes, it is a set. Okay. So second bit, you see, what is the second bit? Collection of most talented writers in India. Most talented writers in India. What you will say for the second bit? Collection of most talented writers. No, I'll say no. Why? Most talented is not well defined. Most talented writer. Most talented writer means what? Some people are most talented writing poems. Some people are very talented to write crime stories. Most talented writer means what? The crime story writer cannot write poems. May not, right? So most talented writer is not well defined. Most talented cricket players, most talented students in a class, it's all not, they are all not well defined. It's a wrong word. You are most talented boy means, in what sense most talented? It is not well defined. See here, the collection of 10 most talented writers in India. No. Why? Why? Because most talented writer is not well defined. Because of this reason, we'll say that this collection is not a set. I hope you understand this. Now we'll move to third bit. You see, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen in the world. Best cricket batsmen. Suppose you may feel that Sachin Tendulkar is the best cricket batsman, but some other person may not feel he is the best. He may find some other person is the best. Best cricket batsman is well defined or not? No, it is not well defined. So what I'll write here? No. No is the answer. Why? Best cricket batsman. Best cricket batsman is not well defined. I hope you are understanding. Is not well defined. Now we will move to the fourth bit. See the fourth bit, collection of all boys in your class. All boys in a classroom, boys, girls are well defined. If I ask you to write collection of all boys, means any person will write girl name. Boy is well defined. Who is boy? Who is girl? Well defined. So I'm not writing answer for the fourth bit. I want you to write the collection of all boys in your class. Let me do one thing. I'll finish this all bits answers. Fourth bit answer. Collection of all boys in your class. Yes, it is a set. It is a set. Why it is a set? Boys are well defined. That's it. Okay. Now see the next bit, fifth bit. Collection of all natural numbers less than 100. Yes, it is a set. Why? What are the natural numbers less than 100? 1, 2, 3, 4, like that up to 99. Everyone will write, because you know natural numbers. In first class of bridge course you learn what are natural numbers, right? So collection of all natural numbers which are less than 100. It is a set or not? Yes, it is a set. Collection of all natural numbers less than 100 is a set. Okay. Collection of novels written by writer Munshi Premchand. Munshi Premchand is one of the popular writer. They are asking to collect novels written by Munshi Premchand. Whatever the novels published by him, all the novels we can collect. This collection is well defined or not? Yes, this collection is well defined. Yes, it is a set. Yes, it is a set. I hope you are understanding. Now, collection of all even integers. What are even integers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, minus 2, minus 4, minus 8. They are also even number. They are divisible by 2. So here even integers are well defined. What you will say about this collection? This collection is a set or not? Collection of all even integers. Yes, collection of all even integers is a set. Yes, it is a set. I hope you are understanding. Now see the last bit in this. The collection of all questions in this chapter. Yes, total how many questions are there? All questions we will write. Total 8 bits are there in this. Collection of all questions in this chapter is well defined. Collection of all questions in this chapter. Yes, it is a set, because in textbook in particular chapter questions are well defined. What I am trying to say, what is set? A well defined collection of objects is called a set. If whatever the collection you are doing, if that is not well defined, then it is not a set. Collection of good boys, collection of good girls, collection of beautiful girls. Collection of beautiful girls is also not a set. A particular girl, for a particular person, a particular girl may be beautiful. The same girl may not be beautiful to the other person. So collection of all beautiful girls is not a set. Collection of all favorite good teachers, best teachers, talented teachers, these words are not well defined. So what is set? A well defined collection of objects is called a set. I hope you understand this class.